69, still smoking, serving hurricanes since the schooner's wharf open. When she poured me one, I asked the secret. She said, don't ever let grass grow up underneath you. Carry on, karaoke, it don't matter if you can't carry a tune in a bucket anyways. Carry on, who cares what the naysayers say? If it's Saturday night, get carried